In this video, I will teach you how to add different types of info cards such as video, playlist, channel, or link to your videos and customize them in every single possible way, shape, or form. But before we start, make sure to click like and subscribe down below so that you don't miss any future videos just like this. And let us finally begin! So, let's first of all, what we are going to do is that we are going to go to the youtube.com and from this corner we are going to tap our logo and go to the YouTube studio. Now once inside the YouTube studio, by the way, huge thanks to you guys for 4,000 subscribers over here. Now once you are already in your YouTube studio, you are going to go to the videos tab over here. And here you shall see the videos that you have already uploaded, as well as the videos that you have already scheduled or just made private. Now, the thing that we must do is that, of course, choose the video that we want to add cards on. So let it be, I don't know, maybe this video, for example, these 25 plus tips, new features and changes of the iOS 14. Now, to add the cards, we are gonna go all the way down till this point and we'll see two options, end screens and cards. Now the thing that we need is cards, so we're gonna tap it just like this and we'll see this menu, of some multiple options. Now I'm gonna quickly erase all these tags so that we can, all these cards so that we can start from the beginning. So I'm done with clearing out all of the cards that I had, so that now we can add them separately, each and every single one of them. Now, so first of all, let's actually get some basic understanding of this whole entire screen and what means what and what does what. Well, first of all, let's start from this little box over here. It shows us our video. We can tap the play button, we can skip back 10 seconds or forward 10 seconds, as well as we can mute or adjust the volume right here when we are listening it, as well as we have settings which actually only allow us to change the playback speed, and of course we can enter the full screen of the video. Well, the video in here might end up looking really bad quality, even though your video in reality doesn't look that bad. Just don't pay any attention to that detail. Now then here we have the undo button so that we can undo the previous things, and of course redo button, which allows us to redo the action that we have done, undone. Now here we can zoom in and zoom out through the timeline by either tapping this thing or by moving the scroll wheel over here, as well as we have here some minutes, seconds, frames, so we can adjust the exact point. We know the exact point when we want to add the card. It will be right here and will be then able, even the milliseconds we can. Yes, yeah, this is like that, and here we can add the card right here. This is just a video, and like it shows you what's in this timeline. Now finally, let's move to adding the cards. Of course, here we have the discard changes button, so we can discard all the changes that we have already done, and the save button over there. Now, let us begin. So the first is add info card, clicking to a video. So we can add a video as an info card wherever we want. And the info card would be quite good at this point in the video. Look, it will be right here, so you can click that and watch it. Where I'm saying that the video is right here, you can click it and watch it. Let's see about what video we're talking about. And in the previous part, and if you want to check out the previous part, of course the link will be right. So we can pause right there and tap the video. Either we can tap the plus button, or we can tap the video, or just anywhere around this area. So we can tap it, and here we can search for video on YouTube, your video, and any video on YouTube if we were to actually promote others' videos, but it's not about me definitely, so no. And let's see. So in this case, we can either choose the video by just tapping it, or we can search it here, because here is only limited amount of the videos that you have already uploaded. While here, by searching, you can search all of your videos. So that's exactly what we want. For example, we want this iOS 14 20% features. We're gonna just type it here, iOS 14, and it already shows us some options that have iOS 14 in title. And we're gonna choose this one by double clicking it. And this is how it works. We have already added the video info card. This is how it looks.
And if you want to check out the previous part, of course, the link will be right here, so you can actually click that and watch it, and then...
Okay, so this is how it works. Now, of course, we can get here the custom message or the teaser text. So we can add here previous part. And you will say previous part instead of saying like the whole video name over there. However, it will show us the video name if we click it, but we're gonna actually add the custom message such as previous iOS 14 part. And if we are gonna again go here and tap it, now it will also show us previous iOS 14 part, as you can see right there. So we can make a space, and it will show us just like this. And that's great. Now, we have some other options here, since we already added one of them. Now, here in the teaser text and custom message, the maximum amount of the characters is 30. So we're limited here as well. Now, if we're gonna tap this pencil over here, we'll be able to actually edit and change this end card by another video. And if we're gonna tap the collapse button, it will just collapse, and we'll see just a nice animation video card. Of course, we see here the exact time frame when the card is placed. We can choose this as well just by doing it like this, and as you can see, it actually jumps. Okay, but we don't need this to actually be at that point. We need it just like this. And of course, if we're gonna tap the trash icon over here, we will be able to delete the card completely. Now, the next type of cards that we're going to talk about is the playlist card. So it's quite self-explanatory. Here you can see all your playlists, and you can choose the specific playlist, any playlist on YouTube. So not only your playlist, but just any playlist on YouTube. So for example, if I was to choose this one, I would just simply type here, I would just simply double click it. But if I wanted to choose another playlist that is just randomly on YouTube, and you can also see my video over here, my playlist over there. But the easy way to do it is just tap it right here. So I'm going to choose this playlist just by double tapping it. And we have edited this. You can of course move it to adjust the exact time when you want it to pop up. Let it be over here. And of course, again, the custom message and the teaser text. Okay, pretty interesting. Now let us finally move to the third type of the card, which is the channel card. And by the way, in the previous version of the Creator Studio Classic, we had the option to actually create the voting poll card, which has been removed because of lack of usage. Now we're gonna tap the channel card over here, and we will be able to choose specific channel, any channel on YouTube. So let's, of course, type here my channel, which is Showtime with MC. and it's here. It's my channel. And of course you can choose other channels as well, but this is my channel. We're gonna double click it, and here we go. And look, so when everything is okay with the card, it shows you the blue. It will be blue. While when something is wrong with the card, it will be red, of course. You understand it. And what is wrong, you can see over here. Channel cards must have a custom message. So you can just simply type here, show time with MZ, and it will be the custom message. Or you can type here, my channel, and that will be the same thing over there. And the final type of the card that we're going to discuss here is the link card, which is quite hard to get because, for example, you can only link to approved websites such as your associated website and an associated website to your channel, or merchandise sites linked to your storefront, or an individual product from one of the approved retailer sites, and crowdfunding sites drive awareness and support for your creative campaigns on one of the supported crowdfunding sites. So we can just simply, for example, make a www.facebook.com, and it will show us if the link has been approved or not. So it's an eligible site, and once you have added your associated website or your merchandise site or your crowdfunding site, then it will be approved. But we are not going to do that at the moment. Okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can add the cards to your YouTube videos. This was the whole tutorial here. And if you are not happy what you have done, you can tap the Discard Changes button, or if you're happy with it, you can of course click the Save button over here. And thank you guys very much for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. And of course, subscribe down below so that you don't miss just any future videos just like this coming in your way. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.